Hi, my name is Jeremy Cook, founder of Flip the Switch Education. I want to welcome you to our video series called Unity in Under 3, where we explore Unity topics and scripting in less than 3 minutes. So we're going to start off with a really simple script that destroys a game object. Before we get into that, I want to explain the difference between enabling and destroying a game object. So if I click this barrel here from the hierarchy, I can go up to the top and turn it off. And this is disabling an object. But even when this is off and it's not appearing in my game, it is still taking up resources by being within the hierarchy. And if there's going to be game objects that you want to get rid of for good, you're going to need to destroy them instead of disabling them. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to right click, create, C# script, and we're going to name it destroy game object. We'll double click on the script and it'll bring you to your script editor. So when we start off, we have the start and update functions here, and that means that it's going to look for functions at the immediately starting the game as soon as the game gets played, and then updating is a constant update over and over again, checking for that function. Well, we don't want that to happen, otherwise the game object will just destroy. So we're going to go ahead and delete that, removing all of those calls. Now we're going to create our own public void. And basically, a public void is a method that allows scripts within your game to call the destroy object. Now we're going to call this destroy object. So now we've created our function of destroy object, and we're going to put in the brackets. We need to tell Unity what we want to have happen when we call destroy object. So destroy object is of my own creation. You could say whatever you wanted in here. That doesn't really matter. What matters is now what we're going to do, which is we're going to call the destroy game object method. So we're going to type in destroy, and then we're going to type in game object, and then we're going to end it with a semicolon. Now we've created our script. We're going to go ahead and save that. So now we're going to come back here, and here we have the barrel, and the barrel is going to have that destroy game object attached to it right here. So you just drag it on, and then what we'll do is we will take this button and we will drag the barrel to the button. We will find our function that we created, destroy game object. There it is. And there's the function we created, destroy object. So now when we click this, it's going to destroy that game object. So let's go ahead and click the start button. Barrel is still there. Here's our game right here. So here's our barrel down there, and there's our click. And now it's destroyed, and it is no longer over here in our hierarchy. So that's how you destroy a game object with a function that is called by some other function or script within the game.